Welcome to our Snooze News. Today is a really exciting episode because we are about to go join Youval right here at our factory. He is giving a tour of to local Houstonians who want to learn more about exactly how we make our mattresses. As a manufacturer, this is something that we can offer the public. You can come here and you can actually look at what we do, see the components that we're putting in our individual mattresses, and just be a part of the actual process, which is a really, really cool opportunity that a lot of people like to take advantage of. So let's go join Youval and see exactly how we make mattresses right here in our downtown factory.